Hello everyone. Today let us solve first sample paper, that is of Rachana Sagar RSPL. Here, so this is how the question paper is. For set 1 I will be doing today. This is the first page, and then this is the answer book given by them itself. We have 3 papers. So today we will be solving the first one. So first question here is, section 1 has 16 questions and it is each 1 mark. Express 5050 as a product of prime numbers. So first question, 5050, I will write it here, 51010, then I'll take again 5, 2 terms at a time, 2 digits, so 0 2, then 2 101. So 5050 is 2 into 5 square into 101. Then OR question also, I'll do here OR question as well for the first one. You need to do only one. What is the HCF of smallest prime number and smallest composite number? So first if I write 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 1 is neither composite or prime number. So 2 is our smallest prime number. Smallest prime number is equal to 2. And 3 is prime. So 4 is a composite number. Smallest composite number is 4. So HCF of 2 and 4. This will 2 into 1, 2 into 2. So common is 2. So answer here is 2. Second question. In this question, determine the value of k if one factor of x cube minus 7k. I'll write the question here. They say x plus 3 is a factor. So we will take x is equal to minus 3 for the p of x. And the question given here is x cube, p of x is equal to x cube plus 7 kx square 4kx plus 12 in this one. So p of minus 3 I will substitute, minus 3 whole cube, 7k minus 3 square minus 4k minus 3, this plus 12 as it is. Since it is already a factor, so we have to find the value of k in this. This is minus 27, then this is 9 plus 9 into 7 plus 63k minus minus plus 12k plus 12. So we have here 0, then we get 75k minus 15, this minus and this one. So 15 is equal to 75k, transposing k equal to 15 divided by 75. So therefore we get k equal to 1 divided by 5. So the third question here is of AP. What is the value of a minus 4b plus 6c minus 4d plus e if the numbers a, b, c, d, e form an AP? So you can try this sum. You can pause the video and try this sum. Here in this one they say this form an AP. We know that standard form of an AP, first term is a, second term is a plus d, third term is a plus 2d, then a plus 3d and a plus 4d likewise. So here first term a is a, b will be a plus d, c will be a plus 2d, d will be a plus 3d, e is a plus 4d. We will substitute in this equation. So a is as it is, a minus 4, I will put a plus d, then plus 6, a plus 2d, this is a, this is b, c, d and this is e. Then minus 4, d is a plus 3d plus e is a plus 4d. You can write it in a vertical way also, a equal to a, this one. So now a 4a minus 4d plus 6a plus 12d minus 4a minus 12d plus a plus 4d. So plus 4d minus 4d cancel, plus 12d minus 12d cancel, minus 4a minus 4a minus 8a, 6, 7 and 8. So plus 8a. Finally, our answer here will be 0. So value of this equation is 0. Then with the fourth question, next one. So the next question, do the following pair of linear equation have no solutions? So the linear equation given are x equal to 2y and y equal to 2x here. So x equal to 2y, I'll make this x minus 2y equal to 0 and this will be 2x minus y equal to 0. So that we will get here a1 as 1, b1 as minus 2, then a2 equal to 2, then b2 we got it minus 1. So let us check here a1 by a2, that is 1 by 2. Initially I'll write b1 by b2 minus 2 by minus 1. So when we checked it is not equal, so therefore we will write a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Now you know what is the condition. It will have the given equations have unique solution. Then or question, internal choice is given for this question. Find the values of a so that 3 comma a lies on the line represented by 2x minus 3y equal to 5. This will be x and this will be y coordinate. So here this is x and y. We will substitute this in this equation. So we get 2 into 3 minus 3 into a is equal to 5. So 6 minus 3a equal to 5. 6 minus 5 equal to 3a. We get 1 equal to 3a. A equal to 1 divided by 3. For fifth question, if 1 minus b is root of the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus 1 minus b equal to 0, find both the roots. We have to find both values since it is a quadratic equation. We need to note here this is a single term like 1 minus b. It is not b equal to 1. We have to take this as x is equal to, if this is a polynomial in x, then we have to take x is equal to 1 minus b. So we will substitute this p of 1 minus b. So 1 minus b whole square plus b, this b as it is. So we are substituting for x plus 1 minus b as it is. A minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab plus this b into 1b minus b square plus 1 minus b. Since it is a root, so it will be 0 plus b square minus b square cancel. So then what we will get here, plus b minus b cancel. So here remaining is 2b plus 2 equal to 0. So we get here 2b equal to 2, b equal to 2 by 2, b equal to 1. They are asking us to find both the zeros, not b. So if I take x square plus bx plus 1 minus b, then this is the equation x square plus b value, I'll put it as 1, x plus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So our quadratic equation will be x equal to 0, x I will take out common, x plus 1, x equal to minus 1. So therefore both the zeros are x equal to 0 and x equal to minus 1. Sixth question, it is if 1 0 of this equation is 0, find the value of c. So it is given here, if 1 0 is 0, so that means p of 0, that is x equal to 0. So a into 0 plus b into 0 plus c. So what do we get? 0 equal to c. So therefore c equal to 0. For 7th question, here write the nature of the zeros of the quadratic equation. This is quite simple here. 4x square plus 6x plus 3. So 4x square plus 6x plus 3, this is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is 4, b equal to 6 and c equal to 3. Now we know to find the nature of the root, we have to find the discriminant, b square minus 4ac. So delta b here is 6 square. 4 into 4 into 3, so 36 minus 48. So discriminant we will get it as minus 12. So discriminant is less than 0. So nature of the roots are imaginary. Real root does not exist. Real root does not exist. For 8th question, in the figure find QPR. QPR means this we have to find out. QPR. For that, here I have drawn, you need not write the question. Herein we will first take up, this is given as 8 centimeter small triangle and it is 90 degree over here. So I'll write in triangle PAR, where A is given as 90 degree. Pythagoras theorem. So PR square is equal to AP square plus AR square. So why we are doing this, where we have to find out this P triangle, we'll find out PR and check out whether it will obey the Pythagorean triplet rule. If it obeys, then it is 90 degree. So here we will get PR square equal to 6 square plus 8 square. PR square is equal to 36 plus 64. PR will be square root of 100, that is 10 centimeter. So here we got 10 centimeter. So we will start with in triangle QPR. So I will take which is the longest side here, 26, 24 and 10. So we will have to check it. 26 square, 24 square plus 10 square. So this is 676, 576 plus 100. Yes, 676 is equal to 676. Therefore, QPR is right angle triangle with QR as hypotenuse. So QPR, angle QPR will be 90 degree. Next question, 9th one. Two concentric circles of radii A and B, where A is greater than B. So radius of this A will be greater than B. Determine the length of the chord of a larger circle which touches the smaller circle. So 9th standard part, you remember this one. So C1 and C2 are two circles. C1 with center O and radius R A, and C2 is a smaller circle with center O concentric, so and radius is B. Now if I draw here OM, so it will be OM perpendicular to PQ. So PM will be equal to 9th standard theorem, line drawn from center to the chord bisects the chord. PM will be equal to MQ. Okay. Then we will join OQ. Then this OM is equal to B, smaller circle. OQ is equal to A, big greater circle. So by now you know what to do. In triangle OMQ, M is equal to 90 degree. So OQ square is equal to OM square plus mq square. OQ square is a square equal to b square plus mq square. So a square minus b square equal to mq square. So mq square is equal to, I just have changed it this way, mq will be equal to square root of a square minus b square. But they are asking us to find the length of PQ. PQ is equal to PM plus MQ. So I will write here PQ is equal to 2 times of MQ, since PM is equal to MQ. So PQ will be 2 times of square root of A square minus B square. So next OR question, ninth OR question. A tangent PT at point P of the circle. So point P is on the circle of radius 5 centimeter, meets a line through the center O at the point T such that OT is 13. Find length of PT. So here they say point P is on the circle, OT here from point T, this one is given 13 centimeter. Then tangent drawn, radius is given 5 centimeter, yes 5. We have to find out PT. So again OP is perpendicular to PT, theorem 1. So angle OPT will be 90 degree. Then in triangle OPT we have OT square is equal to OP square plus PT square. So this is 13 square equal to 5 square plus PT square. So PT square is equal to 169 minus 25. PT here is 12 centimeter. So therefore length of the tangent or PT is equal to 12 centimeters. Next question, 10th one. In triangle ABC, D is parallel, D and D are points on sides AB and BC, AC respectively, such that D is parallel to BC, AD is to DB is 3 is to 1, EA, this one is given 6.6 and we have to find out AC over here. So we have to find AC. Given here is AD by DB is equal to 3 by 1. Fine. So I'll take this reciprocal, we'll get DB by AD plus 1, adding 1 to both, this also 1 by 3 plus 1, adding 1 to both the side. Why did I do reciprocal? I'll tell you. Adding 1 to both sides. So what do we get here? By taking LCM, DB plus AD divided by AD, this I'll get 1 by 3 plus 3 into 3. So here we get DB plus AD will be AB divided by AD is equal to 4 by 3. Now why I took reciprocal here is, if I add up directly plus 1, then I would have got here AB by BD. So we have to find AE, so AD by AE, it will come corresponding correctly proportional. So I had taken reciprocal over here. Now we got AB by AD is 4 is to 3. So when checked in figure here, AB by AD will be equal to AC by AE. So this is 4 by 3. Then AC we have to find out. This is given 6.6. Cross multiply AC, we will get 4 into 6.6 divided by 3. Then 2.2. AC will be equal to 8.8 centimeter. If this method is confusing, you directly can take AD by AB, and in that case take AD plus DB equal to 4. So directly start as AD by AB, that is 3 by 4 equal to AE by AC, but reason you give it as corollary of BPT. For 11th question, in the figure, a circle touches the four sides of the quadrilateral, that is quadrilateral circumscribing the circle. This is our textbook question, similar to that one. We have to find out AB, BC, CD is given, we have to find out AD. So this part given here, I wrote it, we have to find AD and take the point of contact PQRS. AP equal to AS, tangent from A, then BP equal to BQ, CQ equal to CR, DR equal to DS. Check out for the placing how you have to write it. Where AP comes, let be same side, so AP plus AB, RC plus DR. So RC and DR, let it come in LHS, so it will be correct for adding. So adding equation, all these equation we get. So upon adding, we get AP plus PB as AB, AP plus PB here is AB. So RC plus DR, RC plus DR will be CD, CD. So likewise group them AS and DS together, BQ and CQ. So we get AD plus BC. So now we'll substitute here, this is 6, CD here is 8, is equal to AD we have to find out, plus BC is given 9. So here we get AD is equal to this one 14 minus 9. So AD we will get it as 5 centimeter. Now you might be thinking, why not use this one directly as a formula? If it was MCQ question, yes, I would have advised you to directly take this as a formula and find out. But since it is for 1 mark, you definitely have to show the steps. 12th question is trigonometry. If cosec theta minus cot theta is 1 by 4, determine cosec theta plus cot theta. So when cosec and cot together they are, we have an identity with that. So we know that cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1, identity. So a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b, equal to 1. So what we know here is 1 by 4. So cosec theta plus cot theta equal into 1 by 4 equal to 1. So cross multiply, we get cosec theta plus cot theta equal to 4. Now for the OR question, 13th OR question, it's given if cosec A minus cot A equal to 4 by 5, we have to find out cosec A. So again cosec and cot, I have written the identity cosec square A minus cot square A equal to 1, A square minus B square, A plus B, A minus B equal to 1. So here we will keep this as it is, plus cot A, and then this I will substitute as 4 by 5 equal to 1. This we will get cosec A plus cot A equal to 5 by 4. Make this equation 2, make this equation 1. Now we need only cosec A value. We don't want this cot. See, if I add plus minus cot and plus cot get cancelled. So what we'll do is we'll add equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. So we get here cosec A minus cot A equal to 4 by 5 and cosec A plus cot A equal to 5 by 4. Adding equation, this get cancelled. We get 2 cosec A is equal to 4 by 5 plus 5 by 4, wherein LCM is 20 into 4 into 5, 16 plus 25, that is 41. So we get cosec A equal to 41 divided by 2 into 20. This is 41 by 20. This 2 bring it down. So finally we get, therefore cosec A is equal to 41 divided by 40. Now for the 15th question, here it is. The dimension of metallic cuboid is LBH. It is melted and recast into cube. Find the surface area of the cube. So surface area of cube will be 6a square. We don't know the dimension of the cube, edge of the cube. So this word melted and recast, whenever you see this word, it is directly volume of this figure, that is cuboid, will be equal to volume of the cube. So we'll take volume of cuboid. Why we are using volume formula? Only volume will not change when it is melted and recast. So volume of the cube. So this is L into B into H and this is A cube. So we have here 100 into 80 into 64, that is A cube. We will make this as 100 into 10 into 8 into 8 into 8. So it would be easy for us. A cube equal to cube root of 10 cube into 8 cube. So we will get cube A equal to 80. Cube I have passed it as cube root. So cube and cube cancel. We will get 80 centimeter. But they are asking us surface area of the cube. When they have not mentioned whether LSA or TSA, take TSA formula only. Surface area equal to 6a square. So that is 6 into 80 square. So we get 6 into 80 into 80. So you can find out this one. It is 6 into 6400. So it is 38400 centimeter square. Sorry children, I missed out the 14th question. So we'll do 14th and then go on with the 16th. Perimeter of semicircular protractor is 32.4 centimeter. Calculate the radius of the protractor in centimeter. So protractor you already seen. So if we take perimeter of circle, it is 2 pi r. If it is of semicircle, it will be divided by 2. So it will be, perimeter of this will be pi r. This arc will be pi r. Center, radius and even this part we have to take it. So perimeter of the semicircular protractor will be pi r plus 2r. So even take this r also, diameter. So perimeter given here is 32.2, 22.7 r plus 2r by 1. Take LCM over here, 32.4 equal to, take LCM, in this case we get 22r plus 14r. So we get here, after taking LCM, 32.4 equal to 36 by r. Now r will be into 7 cross multiply divide by 36. For cancellation I will make this thing easy. 360. I removed one point in numerator, placed 1 0 down. So now this will go in 4, 4 8 times, 1 time, 4 9 times. So 9 here, 9 9s. 9 into 7 is 63 divided by 10. So therefore radius will be 6.3 centimeter. So 16th question, a game of chance consisting of spinning of arrow. This is a textbook question. Resting point at 1 on the number 1 to 8 and these are equally likely outcome. What is the probability that the arrow will point at any factor of 8? So what is a factor of 8 over here? 8 factors will be 1, 2, 4 and factor of 8 is 8 as well. So what will be this one? How many are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So factor of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. 8 comes in all this table. So the number of favorable outcome are 4 and total outcome are 8. So we get 1 by 2. So next question. This is OR of 16. Last question of part A. Find the sum of lower limit and upper limit of model class of the following data. So which will be our model class over here? Whichever the frequency, highest frequency, 9 is highest among all the frequency. So we will get 40 plus 50. Lower limit here, the model classes lower limit is 40 and upper limit is 50. So sum of both will be 90. Sum of upper and lower limit will be 90.